Rain, we finally got an inch of rain last night, and the deer returned and are eating the sunflowers. So the rain washed away the cayenne pepper, so I have a little present for the deer tonight. They're gonna get a hot cayenne pepper sandwich tonight, along with a little garlic. We threw some garlic on for spice. So tonight, hey, what do you got, Jack?
And I got this, but my grandpa found it, and I found the first pepper of the year, and we found the first cucumber.
You picked that. We just picked that. The first cucumber of the year Jackson picked.
Yeah, the whole year.
Here we go. The cucumbers are here. Jackson picked the green pepper. But hey, tonight when the deer come out here at midnight, 2 o'clock in the morning when I'm sleeping, if I hear a buck snorting, I'll know that the buck stopped here.
You won't hear them snorting.
I won't?
Yeah, because you're in the house and there's a door. And when the dogs were barking, I couldn't hear them out.
Anyways, I can just smell the garlic and pepper. This
Me
is their
too. I
midnight
can smell
treat
it too.
because the buck stops here. All right, talk to you later. Keep them growing.